Good morning, students. I am out sick today. I will not be at school, unfortunately, so I will see everybody on Thursday. So I wanted to make sure that I give you the information necessary to be successful in class today with the substitute. First things first, you're going to receive an article. I've given you a copy online here as well, but you need a hard copy of this article because you will be following the summarizing steps to read and annotate this article. The article is talking about community. It looks like this. I think you should check out the article online so you can see the images that are presented on the article. And then I have also given you the summarizing steps at the end of the article. When reading this article, you want to make sure that you follow these steps. So first, give a preview, make a prediction, interact with the text. So I'm looking for you to underline first and last sentences. I have gone through and made the paragraphs larger for you. This sentence I would include in this paragraph, or you can include in this paragraph. But you underline the first and the last, and then either underneath here or on a separate sheet of paper, that is where you summarize the meaning of each each paragraph with one sentence. Those sentences will turn into your summary, just like we did with our identity articles. On the classroom, you will see I have created an assignment for you to post your summary. Type your summary here. It'll be anywhere from 7 to 12 sentences, I assume. So that's the first part of the assignment. If you go back to your classroom and you look at the other assignment I posted, it is the analysis questions on the Detroit reading. You will get a copy of this, you'll respond on here, and then you will submit it back to me through Classroom. This is what the questions look like. These are basic questions related to the article you read. This is where I want you guys thinking about our community, our Pontiac community. So I want you thinking about, are there any areas or spots or a location or an example you think of that could benefit from a community project like you'll see represented in the Detroit reading? Please answer these honestly and thoroughly. This is an individual activity, so you may not work with a partner, but we will be talking and utilizing this information that you provide here for Thursday. Both the summarized article, the summary, and this analysis sheet are going to be due at the end of class. I'll see everybody on Thursday. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. Thanks, students. Bye.